Hi library friends, welcome to HSPLS Creates. This is your librarian Sasha for the Hawaii State Public Library System, and today we'll be creating yarn wrapped decorations. I used about a 5x5 cardboard, a ruler, pencils, scissors, yarn, and optionally you can use tape, sequins, or other decorations, and a glue gun. I cut a triangle-shaped tree with a stem. My sample measures 3 inches across the bottom with a 1-inch tall tree trunk centered in the middle. From the middle of the 3-inch line at the 1.5 inches, I measured 3 inches up and made a dot and connected the endpoints of the first line. Next, I cut out the tree shape. To wrap the cardboard, I held the yarn in the back and started by wrapping the yarn around the tree trunk to hold it in place. Then I continued wrapping the tree going upwards. You can do it neatly and go in a similar direction, or you can wrap in all directions. If wrapping is tricky, you can cut a little snip on the edge to make sure that it holds, or you can use pieces of tape on the back. When you're done wrapping, tie the end to another part to make sure it doesn't unravel. You can then add sequins or tie bits of yarn to make your creation look more festive. If a Christmas tree isn't your thing, you can try other shapes too. Mahalo for watching this video. Be sure to check out our crafts on our YouTube channel, HSPLS Creates, or go to the library's website at librarieshawaii.org.